So I'm on Koh Samui. Haven't filmed much because the first day I was here, maybe it was the second anyway, I got in a motorcycle wreck. So I haven't been walking too well. Now I'm at a place called Waterfall Number 2. Just down the street there was a cobra show. Here are elephants that you can ride to the waterfall. This place has a certificate from some government agency saying that they treat their elephants right. So hopefully they do. Hello, how are you? How far is the waterfall?
Really far.
Yeah. How far?
Walk 1 minute. 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer? Okay.
Yeah. You car. Yeah, car.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, how often does it go?
By car 100 baht for one person. Go and come back.
Okay. When does it go?
Go now.
Go now? All right, let's go.
One person?
One person.
Yes, 100.
This one over here? Yeah. All right. Off we go. I'm gonna see if he'll let me on the roof. It's okay to get up there?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go up.
Go up. Okay, so here I am on top of the truck. The ticket was 100 baht, which is a little over $3. Hello. I'll take a picture of you too. Thank you. All right. And it looks like we are going up. Uh-oh, he's backing up. All right, well, the first attempt, I don't know what happened. We did not go though. Well, I think they sold some more tickets. Okay, attempt number 2. So far, I haven't seen anything I wouldn't ride my scooter up. But for $3, it's worth it, I suppose. Alright, I can hear the waterfall now. The truck was fun, riding on top at least. Got a little fast at the end going down the hill, felt a little bit like a roller coaster. Look at this little boardwalk we get to go across here. Oh, this is really nice. This is the kind of place you imagine when you think of Thailand. Crossing this rope and board bridge. The waterfall is supposed to be 240 feet tall. And we're just seeing some little streams so far. Everything's just kind of sitting in place. Nothing's nailed down. The trail just kind of ended. And here we are. Nothing really appears to be marked too well here. Oh, I see people on the other side. I'm gonna be on the wrong side. Let's see if we can figure out how to get there. I don't even hear it. All I hear is water here. So the truck got us closer, but I still don't know where I'm going. I'm definitely on the wrong side. There's steps and a rope over there. And I'm climbing this in flip-flops. Probably a mistake. Hopefully, it won't be a mistake I regret. Some of this looks pretty slick. Make my way over to what I can now see is the trail. Yeah, I completely missed the trail coming in here, but it's not marked. So look for the guide rope.
Honey, don't jump, please. I'm allowed to. No, it's not allowed. No.
So mornings, don't climb waterfall, it's slippery. Let's see what else. More road that goes up further. Let's see what we got here. There's the waterfall. That part is definitely not 240 feet, as they claim. But it's supposed to be in 2 sections. I don't know if the next section is above or below us. A little house, and they've got an area dammed up for swimming. I bet they serve beer over there too. Okay, let's see if I can find my way out of here. And here is a further set of steps. So let's try these steps and see where they go. I'm sure they go somewhere exciting. The thing about going up steps is always remember you have to get back down. Again, a helpful guide rope. Lots of people coming down, so there's got to be something good up here. Or maybe not. Or maybe just lots of people fell for the same thing I did, going down the same trail. Onward. I don't see any cobras. I don't see a 240-foot waterfall. I am wore out. Every breath I take hurts. When I went down that motorbike wreck the other day, I don't know what happened. It did something to my ribs. Every single breath is painful. Okay, we're getting there. That's nuts. Got this rubber pipes and they covered it with palm leaves to make it look natural. Holy cow. Whew. Those steps still go up. Lots of guide ropes here, or trip ropes, I'm not sure. They're holding the water pipes in place. These black water pipes you see along rivers and streams that I film, but what they do is they'll pull up the water at a place like this. It's kind of a little dam, and they have these pipes coming out, and they feed the water by gravity downstream. So that way the people who live around here have water with water pressure. It might not be clean, but they probably don't use it to drink. They probably use it to bathe. And it might be clean, I don't know. So this is it, waterfall number 2. See what you can see here. A couple 100 feet of it going up, I guess. It's not real big, but it's beautiful. And it goes down, of course, to the waterfall we saw just moments ago. And there's another side over there. That looks too slick. I'm not going to try to climb it today. All right, I'm going to relax a little, maybe get my feet wet. Okay, so I'm going back down from the waterfall. I looked at my phone and realized that I have an hour and a half to get to the other side of the island where I am supposed to meet friends. It's the bottom section. And down there, around the bottom somewhere, that's where the truck is that will take me out of here. And we're back on the wooden bridge. if you come here planning a little more time, I didn't pay attention to how much time I had today. I didn't get to explore at all. It looked like there's probably a lot to see up there. The stream takes many different turns and goes a lot of different places. So you can spend some time exploring. Now I'm sitting at the bottom of the hill. I'm digging through my pockets looking for my ticket that got me up here, and it's supposed to get me back when I got to the spot to meet the truck. There is no truck here. Maybe I'll be walking out. That's not the worst thing ever. It's mostly downhill. That's my ride out. Okay, I'm on top of the truck waiting for this guy to take me back down. I put the seat belt on this time. Holy shit. And up we go. There you go. Sign for the Cobra Show. Oh, look at the ocean. Oh, what a beautiful view. Beautiful. And down we go. There's somebody's house. I'm sure their house was peaceful out in the jungle near a waterfall, and then somebody came and made it a tourist attraction. At least. How's it going? We are almost out of here. If they would let me take my motorbike up, I didn't see anything it wouldn't go up. I don't think there's any need for these big trucks, except for to make money. And we are here. Right up there on the roof is where I just sat. They use the Helix here a lot. And of course there's bench seating in the back. That's a nice truck. Here's another one. The King Cobra Show. Oh, that's not a Cobra in there. I don't know what. No, I'm not touching it. I don't know what it is. This one, whatever's in that cage, hissed at me a while ago. Let's see it. And there's a sign that says, "Enter at your own risk." I wish I could tell. I think that's a Cobra right there. Yeah, that's a Cobra. I can see it. They got 4 layers of wire between me and that snake.
Yeah, and inside of that little tooth and all that. And I know
Whatever's in this one hisses every once in a while. I'm gonna shine my light in that hole on my phone and see if I can see what that is. Oh, you hear that? It's hissing. It doesn't like that flashlight. You shine the flashlight in there, then all these cages for cobras. I got enough time to go get a beer before the show starts. Yeah. I'll get to you. Yes, sir. You want a beer, Chuck?
No.
Look right there with the mosquitoes. You see that sign? You enter show at your own risk.
I saw it.
he'll get a.
He's gonna get a single, yeah.
Actually, I tried to check
your beer
today, and they were good.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like all of them. I'm not picky about Asian beer. It's all good.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
That's one-handed motherfucker behind me starting.
You got it, Brian?
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. One. Sure. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye.
That's a big.
Okay, so good job.
Oh my God.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.